Hi, I'm Dr. Meyer, coming to you from East Bay Disc Centers in Concord, California. I want to chat with you today a little bit about one of my favorite products. It's this jar right here. It's called DMSO. It stands for dimethyl sulfoxide. This is a solvent that we use in our practice every day, and I've referred it to countless patients over the last 3 decades. I use it myself. My family uses it. It's great stuff, and it's an all-natural product. It comes from trees. It's actually a byproduct of the process of making paper, and it's a solvent. So when you put it on your skin, if you're using the gel form or any form that you put on your skin, it will penetrate through into the muscles, tendons, ligaments, into the joints, lubricating them, relaxing them, helping to break up what I would just refer to as like gunk. It's great for arthritis. It's great for any kind of pain condition, whether that's, like I said, arthritis or a tendonitis, which I have substantially, and I'll tell you about in a second. Any injury. So if you smash your elbow on something, what should you typically do? Put ice on it, right? And I'm going to say yes, ice is still definitely indicated. I'd love to see you do that. But in between the icing, I would put on DMSO. It will help to reduce inflammation. It can help reduce pain. It's also an antimicrobial, so like on toenails or even on a cut, it will help to kill bad bacteria. But it's safe, it's non-toxic, it's non-drug, it's not a chemically made product. I forget the word I'm trying to think of here. But processed. It is all natural, so it doesn't have any negative side effects. It's really very safe. It's an astringent. It can be a little stingy. It can make your skin red, and some people who are very sensitive to it will actually get some little bumps, like little baby blisters on their skin, but it goes away in a matter of hours or at the most a couple of days. So it's the kind of thing that, you test it out, you put it on your skin, you see how it is the first time. If you're very sensitive to it, then maybe only use it every couple of days or only use it for a short time. But here's how I recommend using it overall. In my case, because I have this tendonitis in both of my hands and wrists, I need this stuff about every 3 to 4 weeks. I've got to do an application or I can't work. That's how much pain I'm in, and it makes it very hard for me to write or hold my phone or type. So I just take a little bit of it, and this one has been pretty well used up, but if you can see, it's a gel in there. And like I said, it also comes in a cream and in a liquid form. But the gel, you just scoop a little bit out, and I will put it on my hands, rub it around. I might kind of massage like this and rub it in. And especially because my hands, that's tough skin. It's not like the back of your neck or on your belly or something where that skin is not exposed to the elements all the time, so it's a little more sensitive. But I'll rub it in, and whether I choose to rub it or not, after about 20 minutes, I'll rinse it off. By that time, it's penetrated through my skin, gotten into the soft tissues where it's doing its work. It's reducing inflammation, it's reducing pain, it's helping everything feel great. So by the next day, my hands feel terrific, and they're like good as new. And if again, I do that only every 3 to 4 weeks, I'm in great shape. When you've got a chronic problem like bad lower back pain, or you've injured your knee or anything else, your shoulder, pretty much any area of your body, you may need to use it every other day or even every day. There are some people that will put it on multiple times a day. That's fine. As long as your skin can tolerate it, no problem. But I talked about there being 2 ways to use it. One is to put it on, leave it on like 15, 20 minutes, and then just rinse it off. The other way, which I use at bedtime mostly, or sometimes before I come to work, is I'll take a smaller amount, I'll put it on my hands, I'll rub it in all the way until it's dry. That's going to take about 5 minutes to rub it in, and if you put a lot on, you'll never get it completely dissolved into your skin. So don't put too much on, rub it in, wait until it's completely dried, then go about your activity. If you're going to sleep, terrific. You're just getting into bed, you won't be touching or doing anything, and you're all good to go. When I'm leaving home for the office, as long as it's dry, I get in my car, I drive, nothing gets on my steering wheel or anything else like that. You do need to be cautious because as an astringent, it will burn your eyes, and that will not be pleasant. So you don't want to be using it and then rubbing. If you put it on someplace, for instance, your lower back, and it's in the morning and you decide to fully rub it in and you go out and you spend your day, but it gets really hot and you actually start to sweat a little bit, that sweat can moisten the DMSO and it can get on your clothes. It can damage your clothes too. If you get it on furniture, it's going to damage the furniture. Think of it as like something that would take like a paint remover. That's kind of how strong it is. But again, it's all natural, so it's not hurting you. Just keep it away from things that it can damage. As long as your skin is dry, you're fine. But the safest thing to do, of course, is put it on, leave it for 15 or 20, and then just rinse it off. So again, the only cautions are don't get it near your eyes. Don't get it on furniture or clothing or other things that the substance could actually damage. But otherwise, it's a really safe product, highly effective, and cheap. It will last you so long. A jar like what I just showed you is going to last you, I don't know, months or years for a lot of people. And it's like 30 bucks. So it's absolutely, in my opinion, something that should be in everybody's medicine cabinet. It's just super handy for so many things. If you have any questions about it or any comments, you can either respond to this or give us a holler and ask. We always have it in stock in our office. Like I said, I depend on it. I can't be without it. So high recommendations. Have a great day.